Imagine a world where you don't need banks to lend, borrow, or invest, where financial power is truly in your hands. Welcome to the Decentralized Finance Revolution, or DeFi for short. In this video, we'll dive into what DeFi is, why it's exploding right now, and how it could change everything from your savings account to global economies. Stick around because by the end, you'll see why DeFi isn't just a trend, it's a total game changer. First things first, what exactly is DeFi? DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. It's a system built on blockchain technology, think Bitcoin or Ethereum, that lets people access financial services without middlemen like banks or brokers. Instead of trusting a corporation, you rely on smart contracts, self-executing code that runs automatically when conditions are met. Picture this. You want to borrow money. In traditional finance, you'd go to a bank, fill out forms, wait for approval, and pay hefty fees. With DeFi, you connect your crypto wallet to a platform like Aave or Compound, deposit collateral like Ethereum, and boom, you get your loan instantly, often at better rates, and it's all transparent on the blockchain. But why is this revolutionary? For starters, accessibility. Over 1.7 billion people worldwide are unbanked. They have no access to basic financial services. DeFi changes that. All you need is a smartphone and internet. No ID checks, no credit scores, no borders. Whether you're in New York or Nairobi, you can earn interest on your savings through yield farming or trade assets 24/7 on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. And get this, yields can be way higher than traditional banks, sometimes 5% to 20% or more, depending on the protocol and market conditions. Now let's talk about the tech powering this. At the heart is blockchain, a distributed ledger that's secure, immutable, and decentralized. No single entity controls it, which means no censorship. Governments can't freeze your assets arbitrarily, and hackers have a tougher time because everything's encrypted and verified by a network of nodes. Ethereum has been the DeFi kingpin, hosting most protocols, but newcomers like Solana, Binance Smart Chain, and even Layer 2 solutions like Polygon are making it faster and cheaper. Gas fees. Yeah, they've been a pain, but innovations are slashing those costs, making DeFi more user-friendly every day. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. DeFi has risks. Smart contract bugs can lead to hacks. Remember the Ronin bridge exploit that lost over $600 million. Volatility in crypto markets can wipe out collateral in flash crashes. And regulation. It's lagging behind. Governments worldwide are scrambling to figure out how to oversee this Wild West without stifling innovation. In the US, the SEC is cracking down on unregistered securities, while Europe pushes for clearer MiCA rules. But here's the exciting part. Despite these hurdles, DeFi's total value locked, TVL for short, has surged past $100 billion as of 2025, recovering from the 2022 crypto winter and growing stronger. Real-world examples plenty. Take MakerDAO. It lets you create stablecoins like DAI by locking up collateral, or Synthetix, where you can trade synthetic assets, think tokenized stocks or commodities, without owning the real thing. And NFT lending on platforms like NFTFI, that's DeFi meeting digital art, letting you borrow against your Bored Ape or CryptoPunk. So, why should you care? DeFi democratizes finance. It empowers the underserved, reduces inequality, and fosters innovation. But it's also volatile. Do your research, start small, and never invest what you can't afford to lose. If you're ready to dip your toes in, check out wallets like MetaMask, explore protocols on DeFi Llama for stats, and join communities on Discord or Reddit. The decentralized finance revolution is here, and it's reshaping our world. What do you think? Will DeFi replace traditional banking or coexist? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe for more on crypto, tech, and the future of money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.